Let's try to solve this problem. Let u x minus 10 get the derivative of u with respect to x. Du is equals to 1 or simply dx. Substitute everything into the integral of 3 over u du. We can take this constant outside of the integral. 3 integral of 1 over u du. Integrate this 3 ln u plus c. Substitute u 3 ln x minus 10 plus c.